dito ka na sa RM Metalworks.
Woke up this morning feeling high, ready to reach up to the sky. No more shadows in my way, I'm unstoppable today. City lights, they're calling me, echoes of my destiny. Hear the rhythm, feel the beat, thunder coursing through my feet. I'm alive, nothing can bring me down. Feel the fire in my soul, hear my roar in this town. Every dream is within reach, life's a lesson here to teach. With every step I take I rise to the stars up in the sky. Mountains tall, valleys wide, nothing's gonna stop this ride. On the edge of all I see, got my wings now, I'm free. I'm alive, nothing can bring me down. Feel the fire in my soul, hear my roar in this town. Every dream is within reach, life's a lesson here to teach. With every step I take I rise to the stars up in the sky.
Maraming salamat po sa RM Metalworks. Ako po si Marlo Gonzales from Maria Aurora. Dati na po akong customer at kumuha ng inyong machine. So quality po, 100% quality po ang gawa ng RM Metalworks. Sa mga gusto pong magnegosyo, pwede po tayong sumadya o tumawag sa kanilang Facebook page account. Dahil ito pong makina na nakukuha sa RM ay napakaganda po para sa kagaya kung nagsisimula ng negosyo sa pag-produce po ng coco peat. So ito po makikita po natin dito ang success ng coco peat po. Mayroon po tayong fiber. Ito po yung bunot po natin. Dahil po sa RM, yan po yung na-produce nila. So salamat po at isa po ako sa mga kliyente ng RM na talagang napakaganda ang kanilang machine. So maraming salamat po RM. Sana po hindi lang po ako ang inyong matulungan. Marami po pong mga kagaya kong nagsisimula na magnegosyo ng coco peat. Maraming salamat po. God bless and more power.